Hello, parents. This is Mrs. Ernst, and we're in week 33. So here are your instructions for this week. This week is going to work a little bit different. On Friday is the virtual play day, so you will not have any assignments on Friday, okay? We'll talk a little bit more about that on Thursday, just to give you guys kind of understanding what's going to happen. So let's get ahead and started and look at Monday. For Monday, you guys have a story called Why Living Things Need Homes, and you have a YouTube video to the book there. Afterwards, you have a response page, and this is the response page that you'll be working on. We're working on key ideas and central and supporting details, okay? We've talked about that before. Remember, the key central idea is what the whole story is about, and then the details are little bits and pieces, okay? So it's kind of like its main idea and details. After that is iStation reading for 30 minutes. You guys have been doing an amazing job getting your children on that. I've really seen it more and more students getting on that, and I'm very happy to see that. For foundational, we have some sight words that we're going to be working on. We're going to be working on make, time, all, and into. We have the soft C sound and the soft G sound, okay? Those are the sounds you're going to be working on this week. We have art time with Cassie Stevens. It's still Superheroes Week. We're finishing up that week. You also have the choice board here if you guys want to keep going on with that, okay? This is the same choice board as last week's. Has not changed. I'm just giving you the options on what you want to do for art. For math, you have the Pearson Pages workbooks. Those are those workbooks you picked up from the school a few weeks ago. You can either do these pages in the book, or I have made a digital copy of the pages for you. If you do not have the workbook, then you're going to need those digital pages. As I say right here, we gave you guys, when you picked up your books, the Unifix cubes as manipulatives. To help solve addition and subtraction problems. You can also use objects such as toys, crayons, snacks like goldfish, and just keep, if you need extra work, if you feel like your child needs extra practice, go ahead and keep working on that math choice board from last week, okay? If you don't want to do the math choice board and you want your child to have some extra work, go through the Volume 1 book. Volume 1 book is the old lessons we have gone. Volume 2 is kind of the newer lessons. So this week you're going to be doing lessons out of Volume 2, but if you want extra work, I suggest you use Volume 1, okay? After that is iStation Math for 30 minutes. Also, I want to take some time and tell you guys you're doing amazing. I'm trying to keep these lessons as quick, as simple as possible. Please don't feel bad if you don't get through all of them in one day. They're just supposed to be simple, quick, little mini lessons. They're not supposed to take forever and hours. Just for instance, watching the sight word video should only be 5 minutes. So the big thing here is, please let me know if this is too much for you guys. I'm trying to make this as simple as I can. I've started doing a system where on Mondays and Wednesdays we do math, and Tuesdays and Thursdays is science and social studies to help you guys make it a little bit easier for you guys. Remember, art is not mandatory. It is a choice. It's just a way to break up the day for your kids. They usually get art 1 day a week at school. So I just figured this would be a good brain break for your child. So really, you only have 3 things to do each day: is reading, foundational, and math, or science, or community circle. Okay? So it's up to you guys. Art and community circle are your choice. You do not have to do them. It's really good to do community circle with your child, though, just to build that relationship in the family. But it's not necessary. The only things that are actual need to do are reading, writing, foundational, and then math. Okay? We're going to be doing more writing this week during our read aloud, just so I can give the kids the more direct instructions. So make sure you're watching those read aloud videos if you can't be there for that time at 10:15 every single morning. With that being said, all your QR codes are right here. Brain breaks are down here if you need them. You guys have all my contact information. Please, like I said, if these lesson plans are too much for you, please let me know. I'm trying to keep it so that there's only 2 assignments for each one for the whole week. 2 things that you have to turn in. So for instance, you're going to have to turn in this assignment on Monday for reading, but on Tuesday you do not have a reading assignment to turn in. It's just listening to read aloud. So I'm trying to keep the assignments you turned in to 2 a week, and then the rest are just the videos and little mini lessons, but they're not a turn-in assignment. So please let me know. I just want to check in, see how this is working for y'all, see if you guys like this system, and please message me. Okay? You guys have a great day. Bye.